Hello, fifth graders. Welcome back. There was a nice little treat this week that we had Tuesday, or you had Tuesday off to relax, and allowed you and or not you, but your families, the opportunity to vote. Today, we're continuing with reading in our Unit 2 book, which is Characters Develop Relationships. All right, so if you don't have this book in front of you, pause the video, go and grab it, and then you can come back and join us. All right, but within this book, we're going to be focusing in on page 14 and 15 today. And it's a piece of poetry written by Clint Smith. And Clint Smith is quite famous for spoken word poetry. Right, similar to rap, similar to poetry, but it's somewhere in the middle where it really has a beat when they read it and sounds similar to music. All right, so while we read page 14 and 15 today, we're really going to focus in on our main character, or the person who is speaking in this reading. Okay, so while you're reading, underline anything he does or says that helps you understand what kind of person he is. All right, and I know this assignment is real similar to the work that we did last week, but we're going to continue our mission in noticing and paying attention to our inferences, okay, and then supporting our inferences with facts from the text. Okay, so today's question is, how would you describe the main character? Okay, so describe the type of person he is on the inside. Okay, is he brave, kind, energetic? Okay, so what type of character, what type of person is he? And then you will support your answer with at least 2 details from the text. And hopefully you were able to find details while you were reading and were underlining those. So when it comes time to answer this question, you can look back and give exact quotes from the text. All right, reach out if you have any questions and enjoy this reading today. I think it's full of power and has the possibility to get you to think.